Very good morning. I am Yamni Gupta. I am happy to represent our college, Sridevi Women's Engineering College, which is located in Gopanpalli, near Gachboli. We have 25 acres green land, and also we have UGC. Our college is autonomous to JNTU, and we have NAC A++ grade, which is the first women's engineering college across the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Our college has various records, like it has about 25 years old college, and 8 gold medals has secured. Last year we had 2 gold medals. Yesterday itself, our education minister, Dr. Sridhar Babu Garu, and the higher education chairman has appreciated those 2 goals. And also uh, we have various clubs like placements club, photography club, and we have various other things like cultural events and also cultural club, and also we have coding club, hackathon club, like various other clubs we are having, where students will participate in those clubs. And every year we have Vidyut, the technical fest is going to happen in our college, the hackathon, where every year the event is going on. And also we have the sports fest called Pratyogita. Every year the same sports are where other colleges are going to come and participate in these events. So when other colleges come, they are going to excel more skills. They can learn the leadership skills, and also overall the personality development is going to achieve by participating these events. And also our students will go to other colleges and participate in various seminars, hackathons, various paper presentations and all, to excel those skills. Our college mainly focus on young women entrepreneurs, so that they can get the qualities of leadership skills and also the personality development. My department, especially computer science and artificial intelligence and machine learning, it mainly focuses on various trending technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, blockchain, and also data science, where these are the technologies which help in the future. So based on the technologies, latest technologies, our syllabus has designed. Our faculties are going to design the syllabus, and they are going to update the syllabus, so that there must be no gap in between the real time and the things which they learned in these 4 years. And also our college has having the mentoring system, where for every 20 students, one faculty is going to assign, so that there must be no gap between the parents and the student. So whatever is going in the college, the student pass percentage, attendance, everything is going to communicate it with the parent, so that whenever the student feels sick also, we will inform to the parent, then only we will send. It will be, our college is having 100% security, and inbuilt we are having hostel facility also, where 24/7 security is there, along with exquisite food. Uh, I request all the students who want to join in the engineering colleges. We offer various branches like computer science engineering, computer science artificial intelligence and machine learning, CSD computer science data science, and also ECE IT. And ECE, recently we had launched VLSI. These are the UG courses, and we have PG courses like MBA, MTech CSC, and MTech VLSI. These are the courses which are offering. Choosing the right college is the good thing for the student. So our college code is SEW, Sridevi Women's Engineering College. I request all the students to choose the correct college, so that your future will be in the better position. Wishing you all the very best to all the students. And I thank the TV9 network team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
I am Aswani Devika, working at Sridevi Women's Engineering College as an assistant professor in data science department. Our college has been accredited with NAC A++ grade, and we have one route map for all the BTech students. So in the first year we provide the aptitude skills and communication skills, and in the second year we provide C++ and Python language, and in the third year we train them how to prepare the resumes, and then we provide the internships as well, and in the fourth year we will conduct the mock interviews. And so throughout all the departments we provide the CRT classes in every semesters, and in our college the BTech courses, available BTech courses are BTech. In the BTech we have CSE, IT, data science, CSM, and then ECE. Newly we have added VLSI also. And the PG courses available in our college are MCA, MTech and MBA. So actually we encourage all the students to participate in CRT classes, workshops, seminars and some technical skill trainings and in the placement trainings as well. So actually we encourage all the students not only to go with the degrees, so we encourage them to go with the confidence when they are going out of the college. And I request all the parents to support all the daughters. Not they are not supporting only on not only one individual, they are supporting next generation. So I warmly invite all the aspiring students and parents to be a part of Sridevi Women's Engineering family. So education is the transformation. So I request all the parents to provide a good education to all the daughters. Thanks for TV9 and KAB Consultants for giving me this opportunity.